Yeah. I just got this new baggage from the S. God.
Swear.
Let's say I have to look. I'm tired of work. This one's up.
Type shit.
Yeah, I'm built. But yeah, I'm finna shoot to Columbia. I just see some white stuff from this white dude up that way. I need to get from around here because that nigga on my head. That nigga been following me and shit. He probably know where I'm at right now, so I need to get this done fast as hell. You know what I mean? This is what I took. If you see him, don't tell him, bro.
I got you.
Good night.
Mark, bring me that bag! Coming!
Fuck that bag. Shit, don't know. Who the fuck is at the door? What up? Hold on. That's probably them niggas. Hold on. Open it. Hey, what's up?
Let me get you yet, bro. Let me get you yet, bro.
Hey, AJ, come here.
Oh, they gonna pull that nigga right here, you go. Man, we took care of business, man. Got his shit back, man.
I already know.
You already know, man. You know how it is. You on that bullshit, he got something coming too. He got some.
I got that shit.
You got your shit, man.
That money will be in eventually.
It better.
I gotta go make some money off of this real quick. Yeah, alright. Y'all ain't got no worries. That bitch ass fool keep trying to play with me and shit.
Blow that nigga head off.
Trying to try me.
Let us know if you need something else though, man.
Alright, for sure. I'm gonna try to